Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find, guys, where the driver assist system module, also known as DASM module, fuses and relays are located on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And guys, quick thing, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, anything, guys, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get these parts and tools. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Check it out if you need help with anything. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the driver assist system module, also known as DASM module, fuses, relays. Let's demonstrate on that Jeep Cherokee where you can find them. But quick advice, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that's very helpful and can save you a lot of money. What we need to do, open, guys, the hood, and here facing the engine, okay, let me show you now. When you face your engine here, that's your engine. On the right side of it, that's the main engine fuse box, and here, guys, that's on the driver's side. You see these two tabs, press them together and leave the cover up. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here, guys, specifically what we need to check one fuse, and we'll talk about the relay function as well. But for the driver assist system module, the DASM module, you see these are all fuses here. That fuse is known as fuse number 65. This is the one that you need to check. It's practically for that function right here, guys. What about relay? You don't have relay. The relay function is controlled by the module. You have only that fuse. That's known as a relay fuse on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.